In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to click urgent delivery on SHEIN. This can be a real game changer if you need your fashion essentials delivered quickly. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. To start, open your web browser and head over to www.shein.com. Once you're on the home page, you can begin browsing through their extensive selection of trendy clothing and accessories. When you find the item you want, ensure you choose the right size, color, and quantity that suit your needs. Once you've made your selections, simply click Add to Cart to keep your items ready for purchase. Next, you'll want to proceed to the checkout process. To do this, look for the cart icon, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the icon and then tap Checkout. At this point, it's important to review your order carefully. Make sure that all the items you've chosen are listed correctly and double check your shipping address to avoid any delivery mishaps. Once you're satisfied everything is in order, it's time to choose your shipping method. On the shipping method page, you'll see various delivery options available. For those of you who need your packages in a hurry, you'll be looking for the urgent or express delivery option. This is often labeled as SHEIN Premium Shipping or Urgent Delivery. Keep in mind that while this option can significantly shorten delivery time, extra charges may apply. It's always worth considering whether the convenience offsets the additional cost for your specific needs. After selecting urgent delivery, go ahead and review your total price. This will include the cost of the items plus any added delivery fees. If everything looks good, you can tap Place Order to finalize your purchase. By doing this, you ensure your items will be shipped with priority handling, getting them to your doorstep faster. One crucial reminder: not every item is eligible for urgent delivery, so it's wise to double check eligibility before completing checkout. Also, remember that the delivery time can vary based on your location and the courier services available. Fortunately, SHEIN makes it easy to stay updated on your package's journey. You can track your order by heading to My Orders and clicking Track Order. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily navigate through SHEIN's website and secure urgent delivery for your next fashion haul. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide assists you in getting your packages quickly and efficiently.